So you're probably thinking to yourself, can you actually withdraw from Clicxads? Well, in this video, I'm going to be showing you step by step exactly how you can go about withdrawing your BTC from Clicxads, all right? So you definitely want to stick with me all the way through this video so you don't miss anything. Now, my name is Rakeem Madison, and if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Also, tick that bell icon if you want to learn how to build a long, sustainable business that will give you the freedom you deserve. All right, now with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and minimize my camera and we're gonna jump right into today's content. All right, so now that you can see that my camera is minimized, we are inside of the Clicxads back office. Now what I want to do real quickly is I want to show you the email, basically showing the proof that I've actually received the funds. So let me actually go over here to my email, and what I did is, because I understand what they actually send you in the subject line when you actually get paid, whether that's through a commission or that's actually you actually withdrawing your funds. All right, so if you can see right here, it says you got Bitcoin in Clicxads, right? So you can see it's a bunch of those, but over here you can see it says you just earned a new Bitcoin commission, right? So that's based on the tasks that are done, right? And based on what me and my team are actually doing. But the one that we're looking for is the one that says Bitcoin has been processed. So if I click on this, you can see it says, Dear Rakeem, you requested payout of this amount right here. So let's actually see how much this amount was that I actually withdrawed into one of my crypto wallets. So if we go to Preve.com, all right, so we're over here to Preve, and then I'm just going to put this in the Bitcoin calculator, and we can see that this was $144 that I actually was able to withdraw out of Clicxads, all right? And so now, obviously, that has grown since I took it out, because if you look at the date right here, right, that was actually on July 16th was when I actually received that, all right? And then basically they just give you any additional info, and then they pretty much bring you back over to the news Clicxads page. All right, so let's actually get into the process of actually withdrawing. So what happens when you got your funds over here in this blue box? Once it hits over here in the blue box, you can actually withdraw your funds. As you can see, I do have funds over here in the purchase funds. This is what you actually put inside of actual Clicxads. All right, so now let's go through the process. So you see this button right here that says withdraw. We're gonna click on that. And then you're going to see this additional data. So you're going to see this is coming from the main box, which was the blue box. Now you can see the balance that you currently have, and then you can see the minimum. So based on the balance that I have left over, that balance is not enough to actually go through the process of withdrawing, because right here, if we do this, I want to say that's about 14 or 13, 12 bucks or something like that. Let's see. All right, so that's like $13.65 is what I would need minimum to withdraw. Now the maximum, as you can see, if I were to put this into Preve, you can see the maximum that you can actually take out is $1,187, okay? And then if we go back, we can see there's a 0.5% fee, right? That's what will be taken out of when you actually withdraw. And then of course down here I have my account already set up, so you can set your account up, the one that you want the Bitcoin to actually go to, and then at any time you could actually just change it. So if you want to send it to another wallet that you have, then you'll be good to go. Now as I said, I don't actually have the amount of funds needed because I did withdraw funds out of there. But what you would do is you would put the amount that you want in Bitcoin. So what I like to do is I use Preve.com. So if I want a specific amount, what I would do is I will put, like, let's say I wanted to withdraw 50 bucks. I'll put 50 on the USD side, and then I'll see what that is in Bitcoin. And then I'll copy that, and then I'll bring it over here to the amount, right? So now it's tracking that, that's the amount that I want to take out. Now the next thing, what will happen is you will put your PIN in here. So if you decide to get started by using the link in the description, and you want to try out Clicxads and see what it could do for you and your business, then you're actually going to create a PIN when you actually get started, right? And then that'll be the PIN that you'll actually put in here, and then you'll hit withdraw. Now, when you hit withdraw, they're going to send you an email, right? And I forgot exactly what that email looks like, but I know that email actually has the pin that you need to, not the pin, it's something. I can't remember it at this particular time. Let me actually see if I can find it. So if I go to Clicxads, all right, so if we go down, I'm gonna see if I can find it real quick. I'm not gonna spend too much time on it, but let's see if I can find that email. Let's see, Clicxads pin. Let's try that. Okay, so I can't find it right now, but basically, you will put your pin in, and you will hit withdraw, and then you will go to check your email, and then after that, you will come back, and then they will kind of take you through this little mini verification process, and then at that point, you'll see green up here. It'd be like a green little box up here that basically says, hey, it was successful. Okay, so that would be the entire process. But the majority of it is going to take place right here. So you see your balance, you see your minimum, you see the maximum you can take out, you know the fee that you're going to have, and you put the amount in, and then you put your pin, you withdraw, and go through the rest of that process. All right, so it's really as simple as that. I've withdrawn probably about, at this time, I would say I withdrawed about 4 or 5 times. Right, and it's been pretty simple, at least in in regards to me actually doing it. All right, so hopefully you got something from this video. You now understand how to withdraw from Clicxads, your BTC, and if you did get something from this, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below letting me know if this was helpful or valuable. And if you want to get started with Clicxads, like I said, it is free to get started. But if you actually wanted to, ramp it up a little bit, you could actually put something, inside of the system to actually use the services. All right. So with that being said, I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Peace.